Assembly Chefs Hall is a chef-driven community market where we've incubated 18 of the best chefs from across the city of Toronto. We provided them with best-in-class infrastructure, the latest technologies and payment services like Interac Flash, and you, the customer, get to transact directly with some of the best chefs in the city, like Nick Liu from Dilo, who runs one of Canada's top 100 restaurants.
On the menu today, we've got a combination, all the best things that we do at Dilo. Truffle fried rice, sweet and sour pork hocks, which is my grandmother's sweet and sour sauce, and an Asian slaw. We call it the combo #1. Lunch rushes are crazy. It's basically 1 hour of just people running through this place, 200 to 300 people in about an hour.
Interac Flash is amazing for our business because it allows customers to transact more quickly, which lets us serve more customers every hour.
The faster we can process, the more customers we can do. Very safe, guaranteed way of processing our customers. It also minimizes a lot of the paperwork we have on the back end.
It gives them a lot of certainty that the payment they take, they're actually going to receive, that they have certainty and that the sales they have every day are accurate.
And it also makes it really easy for the guest to just punch in a tip and the money goes right through.
We've gone to a cashless model because that's what customers are looking for. And we wanted to give people the opportunity to pay the way they want to with Interac Flash. Assembly Chefs Hall is probably the largest cashless venue in Canada.
So please come join us at the Assembly Chefs Hall. Let's get you fed.